we've been talking about the news, and I'd like to discuss with you now one or two more general questions related to this. Let's consider, first of all, sources of news. Tell me, what kind of news stories interest young people in your country?
It's hard because every person has a different taste. But the most common news stories people like to read or listen to is about locals, what's going on in the country and what's happening.
Mm-hmm.
And
why is this? Why?
It's like people from my country, they have something called curiosity, and they really want to know everything that's going on in the country.
Mm-hmm.
Cases that matters the country and what's going on inside.
Right, okay. And what about news stories about politicians or sports people?
Yeah, they like to read that about it too. I mean, people who like sport, they like to read about sports people. And people who is into politics, they like to read about politicians.
Yeah. Do you think more people read about sport than about politics?
In my country, I would say 50-50.
All right. Okay. And what differences are there between news reporting on television and in newspapers?
Television is more exciting than newspapers, actually.
Why do you say that?
Because it's hard to, hold the newspaper and read maybe 200 or 300 words. But in the television, you can only sit and listen or watch.
Mm-hmm.
So I find it's much more easier on a television than in a newspaper.
Yeah. So do many people buy newspapers in your country?
No, none anymore.
Right.
They use their phones, actually.
Right. Okay.
And it's much more better because the phone makes everything simple. Makes everything simpler than the newspaper or the TV.
Mm-hmm. Mm. How does it make it simpler?
For example, let's say there's a case going on, or maybe something happened and someone shooted a video. If you have your phone, they will send you a link and you can click on the link and watch the video. But if it was on the TV, in the TV they can show the video, but in a newspaper they can't. They have to describe the video.
All right, thank you.
You're welcome.